はじめまして。はじめまして. It means nice to meet you. Here. See? Each sound is a step.
My name is Emi Takahashi, filmmaker and fixer, guide, for foreign photojournalists visiting Tokyo.
He arrived the year the world came to Tokyo. Cameras everywhere. For most people, language was translation. For him, it was light. Tokyo, 1964. A city between languages. He came to photograph its rebirth. But what he found was a new way of seeing. Every word, a fragment of memory. Each sound a doorway to the world behind the photograph. He thought he was documenting a city, but every photograph was a lesson. One syllable of the language he hadn't yet learned. Language became light, and light, memory. Every story begins with a sound. His began with this one. はじめまして。はじめまして。
はじめまして。はじめまして. 6 sounds. Every Japanese word breaks this way. Japanese is a mora-time language. Unlike English, where some syllables are stressed, long, and others are unstressed, short, every mora in Japanese is intended to take up the same amount of space in a sentence. Devoicing. In natural, fast speech, the I in shi is often whispered, devoiced, making it sound like hajimemashite